Hello everyone, this is Lloyd from Bizzfo. What I want to chat to you about today is the base GP percentage. Now, what is a base GP percentage? If we look at a product, let's say take the top one. We've got beef as an example. We can see we've got a GP percentage of 16 and a base percentage of 15. So what we want to do is the base percentage is a nice marker to show that this is where we want to the GP should not go below this specific percentage. Why would the GP go below this? Is let's say we have goods that we purchase and the price is increasing to, let's say, 75 Rand. We will have a drop in our GP. So I'm just going to save that one. So it's a very nice indicator of where my product should be. And obviously you'll have a lot of products in your database, so a quick filter would be, let's go to GP variances, and I'm going to tell the system just show me the items below base GP. And now we can see here's our culprit. So what you can do then is, let's go back to beef. We need to increase the price actually. You know, if your cost is coming from your retail price, we would say 105, and we're happy with that, so we can increase that price. Let's go back and have a look at this one. Now burgers, it's marked yellow. So if I double click it, I can see there is a recipe. It's stating it in blue. If I can click there, there is a beef. It's just a component, so just a simple test item. And maybe just another tip, if you want to filter and you were working with only recipes, you would go to your p-link flag, which is equal to true, and I just click on go, and basically what we're seeing now is because of our filter we're seeing a burger that is priced too low. It's below my GP, so I can click on that one and just fix that. I can maybe just show you the difference, what happens if the cost was less, then obviously your GP will increase. Alright, so I'm just clicking back on filter. Let's just see where we were, and let's go to products, let's go to variances, and there we go. There's only one item left that has got an incorrect GP. It's sitting at 10, it should be 12, and we can change that item. When you start out, sometimes your GPs are not set, so as a tip what I would suggest is we can go and say select all items. I would then go to edit, set, and base GP. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to update the base GP of all the items, so you'll see they'll match with a slight rounding difference. So now if I go and I say show me the difference, we actually do have a little bit of a difference, which is just a rounding issue. Alright, so and as a tip as well, just clicking on the filter again, remember you can move these columns around as you need to. If your GP is quite important to you with, let's say, your retail price and your cost, you can move that across, and you can then save these column orders. And then what you want to do is, let's say you want to print, you can just go and say select all rows and then export all rows to CSV, and then you can have your filters outside of your system and do your calcs as well. So maybe let's just move that one. That's a cost and a value, and we actually want to see main store holding, so that's quite a nice view to have, and you can save that column order. So guys, quite simple. Just to recap, so what we suggest is, as you capturing your stock, you're capturing your supply invoices, once you are done, you would go quickly and just have a look and see what are the items that are below my actual GP, and in this case what you would do is you would just make sure that you're actually selling it at a price that is above your GP. So cool guys, any more questions, please feel free to pop us a mail at info@bizzfo.co.za.